Space may look calm and beautiful, but hidden inside it are places so cold, they break the limits of imagination. Today, we are traveling to the coldest place in the entire universe. Not Antarctica. Not Pluto. Not even deep space itself. There is a place where temperatures fall so low, atoms almost stop moving completely. And the scary part? Scientists actually found it. Everything around us has heat. Your body, your phone, even ice cubes. But temperature can keep dropping lower and lower. Until it reaches something called absolute zero. That is minus 273.15 degrees Celsius. At this point, atoms lose almost all motion. Matter becomes strange. Physics starts behaving differently. Scientists believed nothing could ever naturally go colder than this limit. But then, they discovered a giant cloud in space called the Boomerang Nebula. A lonely dying star created it thousands of light years away from Earth. As the star was collapsing, it blasted huge amounts of gas outward at incredible speed. This expanding gas cooled so fast that the entire nebula became colder than the background temperature of the universe itself. The temperature there is around minus 272 degrees Celsius. That is only 1 degree above absolute zero. To understand how insane this is, imagine the coldest winter on Earth. Now remove almost all heat from existence itself. Inside the Boomerang Nebula, atoms barely move. Everything becomes silent, frozen, and dark. If a human somehow entered this place, survival would be impossible. Your body heat would disappear instantly. Air would freeze. Cells would stop functioning in seconds. But strangely, the coldest place humans ever created is actually on Earth. Inside special laboratories, scientists use lasers and magnetic fields to cool atoms to temperatures even lower than the Boomerang Nebula. They slowed atoms so much that they almost completely stopped moving.
At these temperatures, matter enters a bizarre state called Bose-Einstein condensate. Particles begin acting like one giant superatom. Physics becomes almost unreal. Scientists study these conditions to understand quantum mechanics, dark matter, and the hidden rules of the universe. But space itself is already incredibly cold. Most of the universe sits around minus 270 degrees Celsius because of something called cosmic background radiation. This is leftover energy from the Big Bang. It fills every corner of space like an invisible frozen ocean. Still, the Boomerang Nebula remains even colder. And that raises a terrifying question. If the universe keeps expanding forever, will everything eventually freeze? Some scientists believe the universe may end in something called the Big Freeze. Stars will die. Galaxies will fade apart. Black holes will slowly disappear. And after trillions of years, the universe could become a dark frozen wasteland with almost no heat left anywhere. No light. No life. Only endless cold silence. The coldest place in the universe is not just a frozen cloud in space. It may actually be a glimpse of the universe's final future. And somewhere out there right now, in the darkness of space, the Boomerang Nebula continues floating silently, colder than almost anything we can imagine.